Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm here to show you this lovely Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance. This Tiguan is powered by a 2-litre TDI, 200 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in a gorgeous metallic Dolphin Grey and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you'll find the stylish 19-inch Auckland diamond turned alloy wheels, and to the front the highly reliable IQ Light LED matrix headlights that provide outstanding visibility with automated activation. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you can see the Tiguan offers deep and generous space for various items, folding rear seats and a privacy screen. Into your rear seating and you'll see the interior has the lovely Artvelour Cloth upholstery, which features a folding central armrest and cup holder combination and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you've got your rear vent controls and USB port. Coming into the cabin and you'll find the front seats with height and lumbar adjustment that guarantee comfort with every drive, alongside other features such as cup holders, storage inside the adjustable armrest and a wireless phone charging station. The multifunction steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include assist systems, navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status and drive data. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also various other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use. Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto is also available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can check the status of your vehicle and any settings available. Assistant activates the car's built-in IQ Drive safety features. And sound allows you to change your speaker's equalizer settings and position of audio output. Beneath the display you'll find the car's 3-zone automatic climate control system with heated front seat capabilities. There are also a range of drive modes to choose from, such as Eco, Normal and Sport. The Tiguan is also equipped with front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress-free. The roof of the cabin features a light-up personal mirror, SOS button, reading light and controls for the panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.